Hello guys, it's Prince here bringing you another entertainment update. In today's video we have Sister Afia in the news. Over the weekend was the Queen Solomon concert in Tamale at the Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium. And on the bill was Sister Afia, Sefa and other GH artists. Man, the Tamale guys couldn't hold the pressure from Sister Afia, I guess. The boys were mounting the stage left and right. Oh, Charlie. These Tamale boys can cause trouble. The concert ended up unsuccessful with Sefa and other artists not performing because some guys put off the light on the stage. Oh guys, why? Alright guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more entertainment updates. I remain your boy Prince. I'm out. When you see everything, you see my back.
Did you do well? Me too. Like you. Okay, you can.